Namaskar. This video is on the topic named CrPC or Law of Crime. You will get simple explanation in easy language. 45 topics have been covered in this video. This notes covered important sections of CrPC including arrest, bail and trial procedures and are designed to assist students and aspirants of competitive exams. You may download complete notes in PDF form from the link mentioned in the description. Let's have a glance about the topic which all are covered in this notes. Topics are as follows: definitions, constitutions of criminal courts and their power and jurisdiction, CrPC pre-trial process chart in which you will see the diagram for the same, summary trials, section 260 to section 265, first information report, F.I.R, section 154, complaint, section 2D, complaint versus F.I.R, trial, chapter 18 to 21, summons trial, section 251 to section 259, warrant trial, section 238 to 250, summon case versus warrant case, comparison between summon case and warrant case, sessions trial, section 225 to 237, process to compel appearance of a person, summons, section 61 to section 69, warrant of arrest, section 70 to section 81, proclamation of absconding person, section 82, attachment of property, section 83, issue of warrant in lieu or in addition to summons, section 87, power to take bond for appearance, charge, section 211 to section 224, separate charges of distinct offences, section 218 to section 221, investigation, place of inquiry and trial, section 177 to section 189, double jeopardy, section 300, maintenance, section 125 to section 128, conditional order from removal of nuisance, section 133, confession, section 164, tender of pardon to a compliance, section 306 to section 308, bail, section 436 to 450, appeal, section 372 to section 394, juvenile justice board, principles to be followed in this act, juvenile homes, and other topics are special homes, observation homes, aftercare organizations, protection of neglected juvenile before court, boards, special offences provided in respect of juveniles, admonition, section 3, probation for good conduct, section 4, inquiry versus investigation, discharge versus acquittal, rights of arrested person, probation officer, arrest, which is from section 41 to section 44, and the last one is nemo debet bis poneri pro uno delicto. Under section 300 double jeopardy, it is the maxim which is mentioned in section 300. A part of these things, you may check it out other topics as well, other subjects basically, that is the labor and industrial laws, complete notes, quick revision, 40 topics are also covered in that one. PDF notes are available at the price of ₹100 only. Arbitration, conciliation and ADR. In this subject also complete notes are there with quick revision. 30 topics are covered in that one. And the same PDF notes are at the rate of 100 only. Other subject is criminology and penology. Complete notes for quick revision. 36 topics are covered in this one. PDF notes are available at the rate of ₹100 only. And the other topic is environmental law. Complete notes are available with quick revision. 36 topics has been covered in this one. PDF notes are available at the rate of ₹100. A part of these, if you are a law student and would like to write any assignment, then you may choose us for your as a writing partner for any topic. home pages and introductions, copywriting, SEO articles and website content, blog post, product or service description, whatever it would be. We are available for the same. We'll come back soon with new subject. Thank you.